Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going back to CodeSignal to work on the database SQL coding exercises. If you're joining this in the middle of the playlist, I'll go ahead and put a link down below so you can start at the beginning if you want to. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. So we're at CodeSignal, we're going to go to the arcade, we're going to go to the database section, and then we left off with on the group dishes by type section, number 17. So these are probably all going to be group by related coding exercises. So your friend wants to become a professional tour guide and travel all around the world. In pursuit of this dream, she enrolled in tour guide school. The professors in the school turned out to be very demanding, and one of them gave your friend a difficult assignment that she has to finish over the weekend. Here's the task. Given a list of countries, your friend should calculate the average population and total population of all the countries in the list. To help her, you have decided to write a function that will calculate required values of any number of countries. The countries table in which the countries are stored has the following structure. So you've got name, continent, and population. Your task is to return a new table that contains the number of countries in the given list, along with their average and total population in columns titled number, average, and total. So this is the example of the countries table. So you got the name of the country, the continent, and the population. And what they want is the country count, the average population, and the total population. So this is actually pretty simple. So first thing we do is we do the select, and there's only one row, but we're using these aggregate functions. So count name, so this will count all the different names. And then we're doing average population, so AVG, which will give us the average of everything in this population. And then we're doing sum of population, which is summing up the population here. And then actually this also needs a group by. Actually, we don't need a group by because these are just aggregations. So if we had another column like, let's say, continent, so if we had, in addition to this, we had continent, then we'd have to group by continent here, like that. But since we don't have that, they just want one row with a count, an average, and a total. We actually don't need the group by here because there's nothing to put in the group by. Alright, so if we run the test, you can see everything pass. Alright, so I hope you guys are able to follow along with that, and we'll be doing more videos in this same arcade database SQL coding exercise, so I hope you guys join me for that. Thank you very much.